In this video, we will demonstrate the Fitel S177 core alignment fusion splicer with Splice-on connector feature. In order to perform the Splice-on connector feature, we will receive a bag of consumable connector parts, included in the package is the connector main body, which includes a spring, stop ring, and boot. Also included is a protection sleeve, dust cap, inner housing, outer housing, and factory polished ferrule with a factory cleave. The first step in the process is to take the ferrule transportation tool and slide this over the ferrule tip. Once this has been done, open the packaging and remove the ferrule. Next, place the ferrule in the fiber holder. Once in the fiber holder, place directly in the Fitel S177 fusion splicer. Next, take your field fiber and slide the fiber through the connector main body. Remove the connector main body. Slide down the fiber. Next, remove the protection sleeve and place on the fiber. Next, place the fiber in the fiber holder for preparation. Strip the fiber. Removing both the 900 micron and 250 micron layers. Clean the fiber. And place the fiber holder directly into the Fitel S325 high precision cleaver. Once you have placed the fiber holder into the cleaver, simply close the lid and press the button. The fiber has automatically been cleaved and the waste fiber has been placed in the fiber waste bin. Place the fiber holder into the Fitel S177 fusion splicer. Close the splicer lid. And press the green button to initiate the fusion splice process. An estimated loss will be displayed on the screen when the fusion splice is complete. open the Fusion Splicer lid. Slide your protection sleeve to the splice point. Once the sleeve is over the exposed fiber, place it in the protection sleeve heater. And press the yellow heater button to initiate the heating process. When you hear the beep, the heating process is complete. You can remove the protected fusion splice. The next step in the process is to take your connector parts and bring them towards your fusion splice. Take your connector components and remove the inner housing. Remove the ferrule transportation tool. And place your inner housing over the ferrule tip. For an APC connector, you will find a dot on the ferrule and you will align the dot with the upper portion of the inner housing. Once you place the ferrule inside the inner housing, it is keyed and will stay in position. You simply push in the connector and turn, which will lock the inner housing into position. The next step is to remove the outer housing from the packaging and place over the inner housing. At this stage, the connector is complete and ready for use. If you would like to use at a later date, remove the dust cap and place it over the ferrule end for protection. This completes the demonstration on the Fitel S177 with Splice-On connector feature.